Hi, I'm Kate, your AI-powered assistant at PAVE. Thanks for joining me, as I am excited to walk you through our newest integration with vAuto Provision. Before I take you through how this integration works, let's first get your vAuto credentials and complete the easy one-click integration in your settings. When you log in using your admin username, you can click on Settings on the top menu. And then click on Integrations, opening the page where you will enter some information to connect to your vAuto account. For this step, you will first need to collect from your dealership's IT manager or from vAuto support the following information: your WSK ID, secret key, entity ID, and your primary username you use to log into vAuto. Once you have these, enter them in the appropriate fields and swipe the toggle to active, click Save, and you will see a green notification that indicates your connection is complete. You can also set two ways for PAVE to feed your completed inspections to vAuto. Toggling the switch next to Auto to Active will set this to send any completed session to vAuto automatically. If you leave this switch turned off, this will allow you to select which inspections to send to vAuto manually by clicking the yellow vAuto button next to each vehicle listing on your dashboard. To take advantage of PAVE's automated grading of each vehicle with vAuto, we set default values for the estimated reconditioning cost that will populate in Provision automatically based on the grading and body type for the car that gets inspected by PAVE. Review the default estimated reconditioning cost table. You can edit any value by clicking into its field and make your adjustments to match your dealership's typical expenses. Only individuals who have admin access can see or adjust your default reconditioning values. This account got set up to push each PAVE inspection result to vAuto manually, as you can see by the yellow vAuto button next to any vehicle that has yet to be passed to Provision. Clicking on this yellow vAuto button will send the information to Provision to start your appraisal. When this same button turns green, clicking it will automatically direct you to the newly created appraisal in your Provision account. When you set this to be automatic, each session will have a green button to link to Provision when the inspection gets completed. Now that we have a green button that we clicked, we are getting directed to the Provision's newly created appraisal. As you can see, we have all the information already set to dive into Provision's market insights to place an accurate trade-in or value for any purchase. In Notes, you will notice you get provided with a URL you can easily paste into a new tab in your browser to access PAVE's confidence condition report that every manager can review. If PAVE knows the contact name, it also gets populated along with the zip code or postal code of where the user completed their PAVE capture. Now let's see how easy it is to add the photos PAVE has captured. To add photos into vAuto, start by going back to the vehicle listing on your dashboard in PAVE. Click the Photo button to download a zip file that includes two sets of images in a folder named using the VIN and Session ID. This folder contains all the captured initial photos and the cropped and annotated pictures related to the inspection results. Now that we have this folder, we can return to Provision, click the plus sign in the photo bar, and select the images in the PAVE folder we wish to upload. That concludes our walkthrough on how to get going using PAVE and vAuto to change forever the way you take trade-ins and acquire inventory for your dealership. Thank you for joining me today.